Let's talk about exchange-traded funds. How big a force are they in the marketplace? And I ask that from the point of view of being in the financial media where we're giving a lot of attention to ETFs. I'm just wondering, what's the reality?
I think that that's a very good point. Clearly, if you were just to look at the newspapers on a daily basis, we would think that ETFs are a much bigger market than what they actually are. The Canadian domiciled ETFs, so those from Canadian manufacturers, are about 37 billion. Just to put that in perspective, the mutual fund industry as of the end of last month was 770 billion.
Interesting comparison there. Goshka, who's buying ETFs right now?
Well, it's actually very interesting to maybe ask the question, who is selling ETFs?
Okay.
I think that some time ago, advisors in general were not very interested in pursuing ETFs that traditionally are passively managed vehicles, but we're seeing greater and greater acceptance of those vehicles as an instrument of diversification, adding diversification, controlling cost of investor portfolios.
So who owns more ETFs? Is it do-it-yourself investors who want a nice, easy portfolio building block, or is it advisors selling them for their clients?
Well, interestingly, actually, advisors selling for clients own more ETFs than do-it-yourself investors.
Interesting. So where's the growth going to come from for ETFs? Is it going to be from the advisor side of things?
I think that we will observe growth from both sides, because I think there is an emergent do-it-yourself investor that at the margin is growing. We've seen good growth in the online discount brokerage channel, which you cover. But also, I believe that advisors now using more fee-based practices have a mechanism to include ETFs in their practices.
Okay, that's interesting. So ask your advisor about ETFs. Thanks, Goshka.
Thank you very much.